how to buy the DFORCE token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now keep following their X account to keep following their updates about this token. Now, another thing is that check their Discord. They have a Discord too. Now let's go and buy this token. So as you can see, this token is available in the exchange platforms like Binance, HTX, Mixi, Gate.io. But for this, I will use the wallet to buy this token. So what we will do is by just select the token address or the network. For example, if you want Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum. So for this, I will just use the Ethereum network. I will copy the token from here and I will open the Bitget wallet. Now after that, what you need to do is switch the network from here to Ethereum, and now click on this plus icon to be able to add this token and buy it. So as you can see, this is our token called DF. Now click on this plus. Now go back to your wallet, scroll down, and wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Now click on swap and switch from here, and now select here the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. Now here enter how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the DF token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.